Okay, good evening everyone. This is group. Our group is going to present about SICLAB software. Our group is me, Bhuvnesh, and my friends Suren and Mugilan. We are going to present about SICLAB, the free and open source numerical software. This is the free and open software. This is about mathematical functions, and it's a very high level programming language. It's for advanced data structure and user-defined data types. Normally they are used to computation engine, easy to embed into application because it's very easy to do the mathematical functions, and the SICLAB function are about math simulation. These math simulation are usually used for engineers for science application because it contains mathematical operation data analysis. The second one is about 2D and 3D visualization. The 2D and 3D visualization is about graphing functions to visualize, annotate, and export data. And anyways, the third one is the third one is about optimization, algorithm to solve constraint and unconstrained continuous discrete optimization problems. Then it's continue to statistic, control system design analysis, signal processing, application development, and X-cos hybrid dynamic system model and simulator. This is about modeling mechanical system, hydraulic system, and control systems. It's very useful for the engineers. And talk about the history of SICLAB. This is from the 80s, from Bliss to Basics. Uh, SICLAB software history begins in the 80s with Bliss CACSD computer aided control system design software created at the French Institute for Research in Computer Science and Control, and developed mainly by Francis Delebert and Shakespeare with the purpose of providing a tool in automatic control for researchers. And it continued on 2010 and became as a SICLAB Enterprise. SICLAB Enterprise company is founded in June 2010 with the support of INRIA to guarantee the future of SICLAB. SICLAB Enterprise fully taken charge the edition and development of SICLAB since July 2012. The advantage of the SICLAB is it is numeric computing. It is better suited for complex tasks than simple computing. Not all mathematical problems have closed form solutions, so numeric computing will therefore always be needed. SICLAB requires less disk space, won't eat the space of your computer, and data plotting is said to be very simple. SICLAB installed without immediate problems on Windows computers. SICLAB is free, that's why it's called free source, and if you wasted time and frustration are worth nothing. The fight for a limited number of expensive license, just like MATLAB or Mathematica, is not an issue in professional life. But there is also a SICLAB disadvantages. The disadvantage of SICLAB is numeric computing introduces rounding errors contrary to symbolic computing. In some cases, SICLAB executes much slower. SICLAB's tools for creating GUIs are very poor. The help browser is very normal and of little use to newbies. SICLAB is bugs and tend to crash and lock out. And these are the SICLAB system requirements. For Windows, you can go for normally Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, also Windows 8. The hardware it contains is Pentium 4 Plus, 2 GB RAM, 600 hard disk space, and optional and internet connection for SICLAB installed with MKL, and internet connection for Atom model installed using a proxy requires manual configuration of Atom.
This is how to install the SICLAB. We first download the SICLAB from www.scilab.org. Second is the right operating system should be on top. Save the file. Typically, it goes to your own download folder. Then you can find the software inside the download file. Scan the download file for the virus. If not, your laptop will harm with full of virus. Down, then double click the file to install the SICLAB. Follow the steps. Fifth, SICLAB suggests that it should install all toolbox. Go for it unless you are really short of memory. Six, six step is accept SICLAB license terms. Then click next many times as needed. Seven step is you're all set to use SICLAB. No need to reboot the computer. This is the interface. Uh, First one is a file browser. You can see that. It's on the coding console. Variables, browsers. The command is 3 here. It's a easy program. We can edit the coding all. The 2D or 3D visualizations, graph, you can do it. Then external modules manager, variable editor, and embedded helps. This is the user in many industry sectors. They are aerospace, automotive, mechanics, engineer, defense, civil engineering, health, telecom, and in earth science person that use this SICLAB software. This, this is a graph that uh, 80,000 people are downloading the SICLAB software per monthly.
Next, I will show the difference between creating curve, admin curve using the Excel, Microsoft Excel, and the SICLAB. When we creating graph admin curve using the Microsoft Excel, first we have to put the coordinate, the starting point and the ending point, and the tangent of the curve. Then we have to put all the formula up and calculate each on the value of the x and y and total it up to get the overall value of the x and y. Then we can use the instead and create curve to create a hermit curve just like this. Now we see the way to create a hermit curve using the SICLAB, the open source software. It's very easy. First, you didn't have to put the coordinate all that in the different boxes. We just key in x equal to. We have to put all the coordinate in the one row. Just like this. Enter and when using the Microsoft Excel, we have to calculate each coordinate. But now the SICLAB will calculate for us, and the next we find out the y value. Like you see, the SICLAB will calculate all the y value for us. We have to total up. Just plot the graph. We have the SICLAB do all the work for us. Just plot. As we see, the graph is plotted for us. You can see the difference. They have plotted a lot more we have to done when using the Microsoft Excel, but in using the SICLAB, the software will do everything for us. Thank you very much.